This is all keys lost on a Peugeot 207 2012. Second one today. Using Autel, the time is 22:01. So IMO, accept, the key's in the ignition and turned on. Go along to Peugeot. Manual selection, 207, 2006 on, yes. So we're going to read the pin. So press the emergency, the hazards. Okay. Read pin code. Okay. So that's the wipers just going. You can take out the fuses. So it doesn't take that long on this. Which is so total video time is now 2.5 minutes, and it's already reading the EEPROM. So that's the pin there, 8 November 6 Romeo. Escape, 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 escape. Now we'll go system selection. This will give us a list of different mobilizers, and we'll go through the different canvas ones. So that's the pin that was read earlier on. So we're just putting in the 1 key. Turn the ignition off. Okay, is the ignition turned off? Yes. And set the key to be land and turn the ignition on. Learning succeeded, turn the ignition off and remove the key. Okay. So this key should now start it up. So it kicks up grand. So we'll switch the hazards off. And now we need to manually sync in the central locking, as it's not in. So we'll turn it on and press and hold lock for 5 seconds. Remove the key. We'll wait 10 seconds. As you can see there, central locking's in. And if we escape on Autel, the time is 22:06. All keys lost, Peugeot 207 2012. Thank you.